Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Crafters World. Today I'm going to show you how to make ice cream sticks fruit basket. So let's get started.
Place your sticks like this, then apply glue only at the ends of the sticks. Like this on the other sides as well. And just keep on layering. Now for the third layer, place the sticks like this. Repeat the same process. It's very much simple to do. All you need is your ice cream sticks and some glue, and all you're gonna do is to layer up the sticks, and your easy and handmade fruit basket is ready. When you reach this point, all you're gonna do is to place your stick side to the side like this. From side to the side. Now glue another layer. And now we are going to make the base. Place your sticks like this. Just keep repeating this for 4 to 5 layers. or until you are satisfied with the base. So this is the final look of my basket.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to press the bell icon for further such videos.